Absolutely epic this morning, guys, here at the Forth Road Bridges. Look at that, the sun is just starting to break through the cloud there. Look at that, that is epic. Good morning, guys, and welcome to the Forth Bridges, where this episode I'm going to be showing you where to get your images of the bridges itself. I will be tuning into individual each bridge, but location one now where I'm at the breakwater pier at Port Edgar, South Queensferry. So I'm on the south side of the Firth of Forth. I'll be making my way North Queensferry, bouncing my way over the next couple of days, doing sunrises and sunsets. Look at that, that is epic. So this shot here, you can get your massive wide panoramic image of the bridges itself, which I am doing, and I put all my images on at the end so you can see them all. So location one, where I'm at now, South Queensferry, Port Edgar, at the breakwater pier. Absolutely beautiful this morning. Hopefully in the next couple of days I will have the sunrises and the sunsets on my side, so I can show you what it is capable of getting at these locations. So on with the show, and I'll see you at the next location. So there we have it. We have the Forth Rail Bridge in view. Just one on this path itself. You might have to get special permission to, like I just had done now, to walk up this path because it is private. The same coming from that direction as well. So there will be gates put up here. Yeah, do make sure you get permission to actually use this bit here like I just done. But yeah, fantastic vantage point this, really. So let me tell you about quickly about the past 3 days in Aberdeenshire. I went up Aberdeen, 3 days, and a har came in. I could not get, well, I got one image of the coastline of Slane Castle, and that was it. Here's a quick clip. I am at Dunottar Castle this morning, and it is going to be a fabulous shot. Look at that, you can see absolutely loads. So yeah, that was Aberdeenshire. It's quite you have to make the best of the weather while you've got it, I think. But yeah, I was really struggling there in Aberdeenshire. So anyway, back to rail bridges. So I'll get a couple of images here set up, and I'll see you at the next location. Bye for now. So guys, location 3, So I've just walked underneath the fourth rail bridge and I'm heading towards Inverkeithing for a good vantage point where you can launch your drone. So same again, I'll put it on hyperlapse and I'll see you there. So there we have it, guys. I'm at a good location for a drone launch, miles away from any houses and following the drone code. So let's get the drone up in the air at location 3. This is North Queensferry, and this North Queensferry is a lot better in the winter because the sun pushes around a bit more and you can get better sunrises. So let's get the drone in the air and I'll see you at location 4. Hi guys, and welcome to the next location. This location is a bit of a wild card. So you've got the Carlingnose pier in the background here. This is brilliant for long exposures where you can actually tune your photography into fine art. Static location. If you can get the sky, the water, same colour, brilliant picture. Still in North Queensferry, you can actually walk down here and it's quite easy to get to. So, bit of a wild card this one, and you'll see the images on at the end. Anyway, next location, see you there. Hi guys, so let me just show you about on this location itself. This location you can actually incorporate in your foreground what they have to tie the boats onto. So you've got like the little buttons down here, the chains as well. They've got chains on the ground and they go all the way out, so if the tide's coming in or going out you can make your way with the tide, but just be careful, it can be slippery. So yeah, you'll see in my images how I've done it as well. But get sunrise here, gonna push round, get a few images from the next location, which is just over here, up on the coast here, looking in that direction towards the rest of the bridges. So I'll get more than one shot. So yeah. As always, see you at the next location. So guys, welcome to the next location. I am now at South Queensferry still. The sun has just come up, managed to get a few shots, make a nice panoramic shot of the bridges as well. This location, very easy to get to. You can see where I was on the pier over here. You can just follow the shoreline down. Absolutely fantastic this morning. Water's so calm as well. Absolutely beautiful. Anyway, I think I've had enough of getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning. It's been quite tiring and I'm looking forward to the sunsets. See you next location. Hi guys, so welcome to the next location. I'm in North Queensferry still, focusing on the rail bridge. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to push round to this pier here and show you a bit of foreground interest which you can incorporate in with this bridge up here. So let's get round there, hyperlapse it, see you there in a couple of seconds. So here we have it, guys. Massive anchor. If you can get the timings right on the tide, you can just get the long exposure just coming up to the bottom of the anchor here. Nice composition setup, this one, and you probably need a wide angled lens shot for it, but or you can stitch them all together. It's up to you how you do your images. But yeah, really fantastic shot, this one. Anyway, there it is. Lovely. A bit overcast today, but let's get on to the next location and I'll see you there. Hi guys, so welcome to the next location. Still in North Queensferry, got the bridge behind me over there. I'm actually on a pier in the centre of North Queensferry itself. This is quite a shot that's been done about 60 million times though, but this shot, I'll show you what the shot is, but yeah, listen, thanks for tuning in, guys. It's been one hell of a journey over the past 3 days, capturing sunrises, sunsets, and do enjoy the images. Hit the like, subscribe, it all helps for the future. So, and thanks very much for all the subscribers for tuning in for my previous episodes and all the lovely comments everybody's made. Really grateful, thanks very much. Yeah, so to the future, lots planned, lots in the mountains, and I'll see you there. Enjoy the images. Thanks again.